leader, even in this kind of situation, how to adapt to the change in the society. Thank you very much. With this, I welcome Mr. K.V. Pradeep to take over. Thank you very much.
Thank you very much, Saraswati. It's an honor and privilege to be here for more than a reason. The first reason being on a Guru Purnima, we are going to spend time together. The second reason is that State Bank of India, where my family is closely associated with, and then I have been working from the beginning of my career as a filmmaker, as a trainer with State Bank of India. I'm very happy to share my views and thoughts. And the third reason, my wife introducing me, is all the more pleasure, and then that's an honor itself. Well, I'm going to talk to you on a subject of 3D leadership. 3D leadership is of 3 dimensions. Dimension 1, thinking dimension. Dimension 2, doing dimension. Dimension 3, it is communicating and then changing dimension. All the 3 dimensions put together will make you a wholesome leader. What is leadership? Leadership is not leading others. Leadership is not standing on a dais and talking. Leadership is not just mentoring and coaching others. Leadership is leading self. What is that self comprises of? The self comprises of 3 responsibilities: responsibility to your own family, responsibility to your own organization, and responsibility to the society. Meaning, you should be responsible to all the stakeholders of the society. So my presentation is, we are in sync with the entire world now. We know what is happening today. In this pandemic situation, there are many questions that is blocking my creativities and blocking my thinking, saying that how long will this continue? How do I cope up with the emerging trends? How do I change with the changing times? Am I capable of doing it or not? Till today, I've been visiting customers physically. Can I do it longer? Till today, I am talking to the people physically. Can I connect to them any longer? Is the questions that are pondering in our minds quite often. But I would like to say, we are syncing with the entire world. My simple question, are we in sync with each other? Are we in sync with my own self? Is the topic which I am going to talk now. My topic today, ladies and gentlemen, Leadership Summit Emerge, Think, Act and Express. I'm going to talk about change and then express. Me, in sync with me. Pradeep outsider, Pradeep insider are 2 different views. What is Pradeep outsider? I'm being valued by how would I look? What are the degrees I possess? What are the, you can say, cars, bungalows, riches I have? What kind of a position I am in? How many awards did I win? Is this all external personality? In French, the word personality means persona. Persona means it's a mask. It can be laid off, meaning there can be an inside, there can be an outside. My simple question: are you the same Pradeep? Are you the same person? You are inside out and an outside in. Meaning is that, are you in sync with your words, thoughts, deeds? Are you in sync with your targets, plans, goals? Are you in sync with your own self? Are you in sync with your organization? Are you in sync with the philosophy of your organization? Are you in sync with the balance sheet of the organization? Are you in sync with the customers who trusted your organization? Is what I'm going to talk today about you. Everyone, all of us are talking about disaster. What is the disaster? Lockdown is a disaster. Low sales is a disaster. Low productivity is a disaster. Low networking power is a disaster. Oh my God, there is no entertainment is a disaster. Low hopes, I don't know how long will this continue, is a disaster. This balance sheet, I'm sure, is going to show us low results. In this disaster, with emerging NPAs, like Chief General Manager Sir has said, and will you become a non-performing asset to your own self? Will you become a non-performing asset to the company which you are working for, to the bank which you are working for? Will you become a substandard asset to your family, or will you become a standard asset and show it, saying that this disaster can also be a discovery? What is the discovery now? Moving ahead, we want to look ahead, not the past. What has happened is not in our control. Not even 2 millimeter weight. That virus is killing across the globe. That has disturbed our peace of mind and tranquility. But look at the other side of it. New opportunities emerged. I never thought, as an actor, as a trainer, as a speaker, as an event leader, I never thought that I can live without people. But last 3 months, I never met anyone. 99% of the meetings are happened virtually. My business is intact, my creativity is intact, and everything I can connect with the people virtually. I'm spending more time with the family. Thank God, it's not me that I have been affected. And then universe has become my market. Today, I am talking to all the friends from State Bank of India. Tomorrow, I am talking to kids at United States. And then day after tomorrow, I am talking to South African kids. Earlier, virtuality was an option. Today, it is only compulsion. So universe is the market. New trends, new themes, new business opportunities, new scale, what you call it as totally ways are opened up at this disaster time. So you have to like, share, and subscribe you. All these days, we are liking the posts of others in the Facebook. We are sharing the posts of others in the Twitters, and then we are subscribing to other youth channels or YouTube channels. Have you ever thought? Have you ever thought that you can like, share, and subscribe you? Spend time on yourself. Spend time of yourself. Write a SWOT analysis of yourself. What are my strengths? We have never attempted that. Just write. I'm very good at 59. Pradeep version 59.0 version. Now I'm enjoying my 59.0 version now. Each of you must be younger to me, but still you have your own versions. Have you ever audited yourself? Are you ever evaluated yourself saying, well, my strengths are more than my needs to improvement points? Have you ever thought that your opportunities are more than your threats? Like, share, and subscribe you. First, the self-beliefs make us more bolder, more stronger, more confident. Have a self-belief in you, and then when you tally a balance sheet, it is not like the balance sheet of what we learned in the accounts, that assets and liabilities will have to match. This is a balance sheet where your assets surpass your liabilities, where your strengths surpass your weaknesses, where your opportunities surpass your threats. There is a big gap between us. Why should we emerge in this changing scenario? Because the expectation of the bank is something, but we are not delivering. Our individual competency is not up to the expectation of our employer. You are an employee, so you have the expectation of the employer. But I'm a professional. You have only one boss. I have everyone who watches my film by buying a ticket of 150 rupees is my boss. I need to raise to their expectations. I need to satisfy them. Even while acting in a serial, my own wife will not accept me if the scene is boring. She has the option in the remote in the hand, and then she shifts it to other channels. What is the expectation of the bank, and what is my individual competency? We need to understand. You are the one who are going to bridge because you are the leader. People take you as the interface of the bank. People take you as the main gate of the bank. People take you as the image of the bank. People look at you as a brand of the bank. People see you as a bank itself. For me as a customer, I walk into Bella Vista branch where my account is there in Somajipuda. I see bank is the manager who is sitting there. Nobody else. I don't know who is the superior. So you are the one who have to bridge the gap. I am working on a new me in this lockdown period. I am working on a new me. We have so many apps. All of you have downloaded a Zoom app now and getting connected today. All of us have got a lot of apps within ourselves. But have you ever thought to download a new app called New Me? Kotta Nenu, Naya Mai. New Me. That is not in the Google Play Store. That is not visible anywhere, but it is your mindset that you can download it. A new version of Pradeep. A new version of Pradeep. I can start doing something different so that I will upgrade myself to upscale myself on a daily basis. Put your 100% effort. At this pandemic time, all that we can do is that the situation of Dhoni, last over 16 runs, he has to score to make India win the match. Has he ever said that, no, sir, it is not possible for me? Had he ever said that, no, sir, I will do it in the next match? No way. He stretches himself, he intensifies his efforts, and then start going hitting, and then somehow seeing that it comes. We lost some time during this period. We lost some business, we lost some customers, we lost total economy is at stake now. At this point of time, your individual competency is the key ingredient. It is the raw material for the bank. Gurujad Apparao says in Telugu, Desamante Mantikadoi, Desamante Manishuloi. What does it mean? It means that the bank is not constituted out of funds. It is not only the resources and the reserves. It is not the bungalows and the real estate values what it possesses. It is the human power that makes the bank richer. You are the key ingredient for the bank to see that the sum total of the bank's profit is the sum total of the growth of the individual mindsets. You are the one who are going to contribute. So I'm just saying there is one mental app called New Me. Change for good. When we talk about change, you look at an eagle. Eagle changes at the age of 40. What it happens at the age of 40 for the eagle? Its beak gets bent, its talons get very soft, and then feathers grow more so that it cannot fly high. At this point of time, eagle goes to a self-determined exercise of 150 days. It goes to the top of a mountain, and then it starts knocking its beak against the rock. Tack, tack, tack. After some time, the beak falls down. Then it grows a new beak. With the help of the new beak, it plucks all the talons. New talons are grown. With the help of the new beak and the new talons, it plucks all the feathers. And after 150 days, the eagle makes its famous rebirth flight and goes into the sky to live for another 30 years as the king of the air. You have many things to do. You can do. All this you have to do this. Stretch yourself. Any of my two other colleagues, faculty members are going to talk much about this. My simple question. Are you in sync with yourself? The problem here is you. You in the sense, me. I am the problem here, but I want to be a Salarjung museum material. I don't want to change. I am happy with what I have. I am happy in my comfort zone. I don't want to do anything new. I don't want to connect with the new people. I don't want to come out of my duties. What is expected, I am doing. What is desired, I am not doing. So when I say when the problem is you, when you know that the problem is you, you have the solution also. The solution is you. You are the one who can change. You are the one who can bring a change. You are the one who can create a difference. You are the one who can be a differentiator. You are the one who can be a cut above the rest for the bank which marches ahead with your hope. I am just saying, reaffirm with this statement called, you are the best, I am the best, I am the best, I am the best. There's nothing beyond that, I am the best. Because what matters most is how you see yourself inside. If you see as a soldier, then you remember as a soldier, but you are the king of the bank. You need to position yourself as the king of the bank. The image of the bank lies with the front line leadership like yours. You are the one who can make a difference. My simple request is that take ownership. Had you not been an employee, had you not been a leader, had you not been an officer, had you not been in the top brass of this bank, what would you do? You would have been an entrepreneur. Think yourself in the shoes of being an entrepreneur for a minute, and then how will I take responsibility being an entrepreneur? I monitor about this workshop till night 12 o'clock. I got up at 6 o'clock. I started monitoring it. I am the one who have made you to send my staff, and we were all there to send you the flyers. We send you to connect it. Everything we have done because this is my entrepreneur, because I know I am the owner of my business. I am just saying, whether you are on the field side, whether you are on the administrative side, whether you are on the credit department, whichever department you are, take ownership of your business. Full life cycle leadership. That is what is called full life cycle leadership, meaning end-to-end responsibility you need to take when you come up in this changing situation. Put a question, who am I? Know yourself. You are much more stronger, much more worthier, much more, you can say, taller than what you are thinking. Identify your competencies. What are you good at? For me, I'm good at my articulation skill. For Srinivas Lolla Garu, he must be good at his writing skills or analytical skills, or his experiences can enrich us. Identify your competencies. Audit your true wealth. What am I good at? And then ultimately, no one can call you inferior without your person. You are the boss of a territory called you. You are the king of a territory called you. You are the leader of a kingdom called you. Zoom back from your limiting beliefs